Hey everyone, welcome back to the Student Portal series. In this episode, we are diving deep into the feedback.html, the page with the feedback form. This is where things get interactive. Unlike the static page, we are the cover this uses HTML form to collect user input. We are break it down element by element, explain how it works, and even show some live demos. If you check the playlist of index.html, profile.html, and more. Let's get started. Grab your code editor. So first, the big picture feedback.html is the form page of our submitting feedback on your student portal. It includes text fields, review button, text delete buttons, text area, a drop down and submit button. This makes the site interactive. User can input data. Starting the top, doctype.html. This is declare the HTML file. Without it, browser might use the old rendering modes, causing weird layout. Always include it. Like the rule of the page, no attribute, just pure declaration. Is the editor highlight this line show how removing it might affect older browser. So second one HTML head structure next HTML the root element wrapping everything it contain head and body. You could add language accessibility telling screen render the language inside the head submitting the feedback inside the head the title. This set the browser tab title. Crucial of UX user can see submit the feedback in tab. Compare my grades in grades.html. No other meta here, but add the meta character set. Tips add to handle special character like assets. Okay. Head is the metadata, not visible content. Later links. Yes. Here the link here. Okay. Body, the main heading. Now the body visible part is everything inside the render on screen. First element H1 submit feedback. A label heading for the page, the title it appears the large and bold. Use H1 once the page for the SEO and structure. Screen render navigation by heading demo. Show it look plain and then hint at CSS for styling. Next one core of the pages form. Okay. This group is input of data collection. Attribute like action submit which we will send data and method post secure sending are missing here. Add them and real functionality without submitting does nothing. Insert the label for name. Okay, for here for the name label input type text id name label associate with the input for accessibility. Click the label to focus the field type text. Allow the single line text id name links to the label. Now type the field to show it whole text. Add placeholder. Enter your name for hint. Like BR text. Add on breaks. Basic the spacing. This is used for the spacing. The BR type. Okay. Next one the label for the email. An input type email id email and BR for the breaking the line. Similar but type of email. Validate format need the browser error. Check the submit demo. Try invalid email to show the pop-up. And next one is radio button for this radio button. So radio button for recommendation. Then label tool you can recommended this portal label No can since it multiple input. Radio button. Okay. In this side the radio button. Input type document name. Recommended value yes yes. Input type radio name. Recommended value no. Type radio after the single selection. Same name recommends. Group them only. One can be choose value of the data set. Next one, demo click the option and show only the step field selected and check to the pre-select yes. And text area for the this side text area. Okay, text area. This is a label for the feedback label and multi-line text. Row 4 set the height of 4 lines and column 15 with 15 characters. User can type the paragraph. And resize it the type of long feedback, add the placeholder. Okay, share your thought and the guidance of the max length 500 limit character. Then this side for this side we'll explain the drop on then label for rating raters label the select id rating with the option tags excellent good etc drop down for choices id links to the label. Click the select on option. You selected good for the default, great for rating. And submit button. Show here a submit button. Yes. And submit button the form close. Finally in the form button type submit. Submit button trigger the submission. Type of submit is the queue of demo. Click it. Since no action, it might reload. Add action hash for the testing. And the last one is a navigation. In outside of form navigation, anchor tags of hrem index.html redirect back to the home. Navigation link the same in other pages. Clicking the load index.html add the more links for the better flow. And the body tag and HTML tag we are close the code. Okay. Let's code a full demo in the browser. Click on port 255, go live. Fill from the submission, type a name. You type a name here. My name is Bhavesh. Type here your email ID 2525 and delete here. Would you recommended this photo? Yes or no, two option is here. This side area, this text is missing, so this is a form. So rate us finally excellent, good, average, poor, text good. Okay, and then select back to home. Thank you for watching video.